Hi everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're diving into a piece of American motoring history, the 1960 Willys-Overland Whippet 98A. A name that many may have forgotten, but one that deserves its place in the automotive timeline. Buckle up as we take a deep look at the exterior, interior, performance, and the legacy of this unique vehicle. Exterior. The first thing that stands out about the 1960 Willys-Overland Whippet 98A is its distinct blend of post-war practicality and pre-muscle era styling. Although Willys is more famously known for their military jeeps, the Whippet line was their stab at passenger vehicles, and this one carried forward some surprisingly graceful lines. The front fascia sports a modest chrome grille flanked by round sealed beam headlights, and you'll notice the body lines are smooth, with a slightly flared rear fender reminiscent of the late 50s. It rides on 15-inch steel wheels, typically finished with chrome hubcaps and narrow whitewall tires, a true sign of the times. At about 160 inches in length, the 98A is compact by today's standards, but don't let its size fool you, it holds its own in both presence and practicality. Interior. Step inside and you're greeted by a very utilitarian, yet charmingly vintage cabin. The bench seats are wrapped in a durable cloth vinyl mix, with patterns that scream mid-century Americana. The dashboard is stamped metal, painted to match the exterior, and features a simple gauge cluster with a large speedometer, fuel gauge, and warning lights. No frills here. You also get the signature 3-spoke steering wheel, thin-rimmed and large in diameter, which was the norm for manual steering cars of the era. There's no air conditioning, and the radio was optional, but what you do get is vent windows, manual roll-down windows, and a trunk that could easily hold luggage for a weekend trip. Performance. Under the hood, the Whippet 98A typically came equipped with a 4-cylinder L-head engine, producing around 63 horsepower. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, it wasn't going to win any races, but that's not what it was built for. It's a lightweight car, just over 2,300 pounds, and it handles city driving with a surprisingly nimble character. The steering is manual, so it's heavy at parking speeds, but once you're rolling, it feels very predictable. 0 to 60. Well, maybe never, but cruising at 45 to 50 miles per hour on a country road. That's where this car shines. Braking is handled by drum brakes on all 4 corners, and while they require a bit of a heavy foot, they were standard for the time. The 1960 Willys-Overland Whippet 98A may not be a household name, and technically, the Whippet moniker had faded by the early 30s, but some collectors and restorers still use the name to refer to late Willys passenger cars, and this model stands as a testament to the brand's effort to go beyond utility. It's not about performance or luxury, it's about simplicity, charm, and a slice of American innovation in a changing automotive landscape. If you're lucky enough to find one of these still running, it's more than a car, it's a conversation piece, a rolling time capsule, and a joy for anyone who loves true vintage motoring. Thanks for joining us for this journey through time with the 1960 Willys-Overland Whippet 98A. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more forgotten classics and deep dives into automotive history. We'll see you on the next ride.